Hello and welcome. This vehicle I've got in front of me, well, you can see it's the Dodge Ram 1500 Bighorn edition, but that's not what I'm going to talk about. If you want to know anything more about that, then I can't say anything. But what I do is campers, and I know a little bit about that. Not a great deal, but I'll tell you what I do know about this. This is a Spartacus unit from the company Spartacus in Slovenia. And let's actually, to start off with, let's go inside and then I'll come to the outside and show more from the outside. So just kick off with, let's go in here through this door and have a look at it. So with these pop-up campers, obviously there's not a huge amount of room, but as you saw, it is on the back of this Dodge Ram. Now this will go on all European and American pickup trucks. That's what it's designed for that, but I'll show you a bit more about that as I go out. Now looking down here, you've got a bed which is 210 centimeters by 180. At the moment it's being used for storing things, including my own things, and but we've got some features up here which will be useful. The table, and the stalk for the table is down here. We've got this kit here which is for the insulation, and there's the bed which is being used as a bed, because here this is Abenteuer und Allrad, where the exhibitors have to sleep in their own vehicles because there's not a great deal of other space for them to sleep in. Now, so we're with the unit popped up like this, and so we've got windows all the way around. We've got the windows themselves will unzip, and you've got here a fly net which can go in its place. Up here we've got a baggage which is attached to the top via magnets, but it's quite it's quite firm up there. The idea of that being, of course, is that you fill up your luggage at home, and then when you come to the van you stick it up there, and then you're ready to go. There's also more baggage space up here, these pockets. Now the back wall here, we've got this system here from Our, which I just noticed because the owner of the company is a friend of mine, or he was anyway. I haven't seen him for more than 12 years, but I was extremely pleased to see his stuff in this vehicle. And just to show you what this looks like, so you've got these boxes in here which you put your stuff in, and you've got all of this space for that. Now at the bottom here there's two boxes at present, but you could instead put a toilet in there. One of these porta potty things would go into there. And down here we've got the electrics. Now the moment, let's go 110 ampere hour AGM battery, and fuses are to the right. You've got the MPPT solar controllers in there as well. And shore power plus USBs down there. Now here, obviously I said you can got a table, but if we take this out, which I'll try and do this with one hand if I can, and take this out as well. Now I'm try, if we open this up, I'll try and do, oops, oh, I can't do it, but anyway, getting under there, and I don't, two hands to do it, sorry. Anyway, I tried, but under there you've got the access to, I presume you could say it was the storage, but you can see how it's been connected there. I'll show you that from the outside. So I'll put this back so it looks nice as I am talking, and we'll come now over here. So here we have, okay, there's nothing special about two burners and a small sink, but in here we've got the water. So we've got the fresh water and the wastewater would go in there. And here we've got this enormous fridge from Vigo. So that's what they've got in the fridge. So this is clearly the place to be a bit later. Right, heating is via a Weber store. So it's diesel heating, and there's a diesel tank on the outside, which I shall show you once I go out. So and there's the stalk for the table. More bags for storage there. And okay, corner kitchen. Right, I think it's quite a curious vehicle, but anyway, let's have a look outside now as well. So on the roof there's a solar panel, so I'll give 100 watt. And as I come out, one has to be careful of this, not to bang the head. Right, so what I tried to show you by pulling the things out was you've got access to, so the thing I tried to open is there, and that will give you access to this part here if you want to keep anything there, which I don't know, maybe some food or something, I suppose that would go down there. It's not going to end up falling out. You'd have to block it obviously down here, but you could use that as storage. This thing here is the diesel tank for the heater. Now here at Bad Kissingen they're using it at night, and they've used a couple of litres to keep the thing warm for a week, and so they've got it on from when this thing closes around 1800 and starts again 10 o'clock the next morning. So it's on for about 16 hours a day. So it's not a huge amount of fuel that's actually used. Approximately 2 litres it's burnt, so say 1 litre every 3 days in temperatures, which at night, well last night was -3, but between that and say +3. So that gives a bit of the idea there. Now here, this is the shower. So that would come around this covered outdoor shower, and there is this road shower device, and that will heat the water up externally for your use. This is attached via 4 pins to the main body. Now I mentioned the it's like standardized size, so with this unit here it sort of fits in almost exactly, but some others would come out to about there and there, depending if it's double cab or the size of it. Now let's come round the side. So here we've got the where the sand tracks are kept. There you go. And that can be raised up to there and there, but whilst it's down it makes a nice table. Here's an awning. This is one of these ones from South Africa, which is 270 degrees, and I did a video of this some time ago, about a year and a half ago, something like that, or a year ago anyway, and that would come around half of the vehicle, really, just about, almost, and well, half, not quite, but a third, let's say. So have a walk around the outside now and show it to you. So there you have it, this Spartacus pickup unit. You can see here the 2 solar panels has got a present. Of course you could just fill the whole thing with solar panels if you felt the need to. Weighs 500 kilos approximately, so I mean I think that'll give you quite a lot of payload. It obviously depends on the weight of the base vehicle. It'll hold, was it 30 litres of fresh water, but that could easily be extended. You could sort of leave the water even in that place down outside if you wanted to extra. So gives you an idea. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that of interest, and I hope this is coming out in this bright sunshine, because I can't actually see really what I'm filming. But anyway, thanks for watching, and all the best from Bad Kissingen, Germany. Abenteuer, and it's now October, or usually this event is held in June. That's why it's so cold right now. So thanks for watching.